In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set messages to disappear after 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Let's get started. WhatsApp has introduced an updated disappearing feature message, giving users more control over their privacy. For that, make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Then you can launch it, navigate to the chat section, then open conversation where you want to set this disappearing message feature. Now click on the username. Now scroll down and head over to the option disappearing messages. Here you're gonna find different time duration. Choose your preferred duration. Once enabled, any new messages sent in that chat will automatically disappear after the selected time. You can also set disappearing messages as a default for all new personal chats by going to Settings, Privacy, Default Message Timer, and selecting either 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Keep in mind that disappearing messages can still be forwarded, copied, or saved before they expire. So it's always important to share sensitive information carefully. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.